Now You're Cooking Module Selection Quiz Module 8. Read Now You're Cooking and answer each question. Number 1. What does Avani mean when she tells Joey that Martina is so on fire? A. Martina is angry with the judges. B. Martina is excited about the contest. C. Martina plans to cook the meal over a grill. D. Martina knows the safety rules for the kitchen. Question number 2. How does Martina feel when her name is announced at the beginning of the story? At the beginning of the story. A. Proud. B. Afraid. C. Ashamed. D. Surprised. Question number 3. What inspires Martina's final dish? She remembers cooking with her abuelito. She uses a recipe from a cooking show on television. She thinks about having cereal and milk for breakfast. She dreams about the meals she had at a restaurant in town. Question number 4. How do the judges react to the dish that Martina cooks in the final round? A. They think Joey's dish tastes better. B. They think it should win the competition. C. They think it is more healthful than Joey's dish. D. They think it tastes good, but it could be more healthful. Question number 5. After the competition, which statement would Martina most likely agree with? A. If you don't win, you should be upset. B. It's better to give up if you think you may lose. C. You can learn from your losses to improve in the future. D. You should never compete against a trained professional.